I've been using Revolut for over 3 years now. And if you're like me, someone who travels, shops online in foreign currencies, or send international payments, then Revolut could be the game-changing service you've been looking for. In this review, I'll cover its fees and key features like international money transfer, multi-currency bank account, and the Visa debit card. I'll share the pros of how it's been helpful for me and also the cons of why you may want to avoid using them. Revolut is a publicly listed company in the UK, meaning they've got to meet some pretty strict standards when it comes to transparency and accountability. They're licensed in over 38 countries, which means they follow local rules and regulations everywhere they operate. But here's the big news. Revolut has a full banking license in the UK and the European Economic Area, the EEA. That means if you're in one of those 31 countries, your money is insured up to £85,000 in the UK and €100,000 in the EEA. And for the other countries, don't worry, your money is still held securely in big established banks, so you are covered anyway. Plus, Revolut adds extra layers of protection like two-factor authentication. So in my opinion, I truly believe your money is in safe hands with Revolut. I've rated Revolut a 9.5 out of 10 for trust and credibility. Great start from this fintech giant. Let's start with one of Revolut's best features, the multi-currency account. You can open it for free, no monthly fees, and hold over 34 different currencies, so you're immediately ready to make transactions worldwide. A little heads up though, Revolut only gives you one home country account for deposits. So if you're transferring in a different currency, you may get hit with an international transaction fee. Not a huge deal, but something to be aware of. One feature I really love is that you can set an exchange rate trigger. Say you're planning a trip or a big purchase, you can set Revolut to automatically convert your money when it hits the rate you want. And transferring money? Super easy. Just go to Payments, tap Plus, add your recipient's info, choose the amount, then check their transparency fee and hit send. It's that simple. Along with a physical debit card, Revolut also gives you free digital card for secure online shopping, especially on websites you don't fully trust. It's also compatible with Google Pay and Apple Pay, which is a plus also. And if you're into investing, Revolut has options for buying stocks and crypto, and in some countries, you can even earn interest on your balance or rack up Rev points, which you can trade in for travel, stays, and experience, or even discounts when you're making online purchases. I've scored Revolut a 9.5 out of 10 for features. I deducted half a point because Revolut isn't available in all countries, but that said, they really shine in this category with a wide range of useful options, from easy money transfers to digital cards and all the way through to the investing functions. Let's break down how Revolut's transfer fees can save you a lot compared to traditional banks. Imagine sending $1,000 from the US to Australia. With a traditional bank, you're likely to pay between $10 to $30 in international transfer fees. Plus, they'll tack on a lower than market exchange rate. But with Revolut, you don't pay this international transfer fee, and you get the mid-market rate, which is the fairest and most transparent rate out there, the one you find on Google. Meaning no hidden fees and you save way more money. You can see here the comparison with PayPal and other providers. They are much, much cheaper. You might be wondering, how does Revolut make money then? Revolut offers 5 subscription plans, 1 free standard plan and 4 paid ones. On the free plan, you get £1,000 of fee-free currency exchanges per month. If you go over that limit, you have to pay a fee. Or if you want higher limits, then you'll need to upgrade. Whether through a subscription fee or a small fee for exceeding your exchange cap, Revolut's fees still work out far cheaper than most banks. But remember, they do charge a 1% fee on weekend transfers, so stick to weekdays for the best deal. Want to double check if Revolut's rate is the best? They've got an exchange rate comparison calculator, so you can always confirm they're offering you the best deal. Revolut is almost always going to be the cheapest option for currency exchange, making it a no-brainer for me. And here's a pro tip, you can get 3 months of their premium plan for free, which gives you extra fee-free exchange and a higher cash withdrawal limit. So if you're looking to save even more money, check out this link in the description. When it comes to ATM withdrawals, Revolut keeps it refreshingly straightforward with their fee structure. On the standard plan, you get 5 free withdrawals per month, as long as they don't go over £200 or equivalent in your currency. And if you need more than that, you can increase that limit by moving up to a higher tier plan, reaching all the way up to a monthly £2,000 limit with the Ultra plan. After you've hit your plan's free withdrawal limit, a small fee will kick in. This makes it super easy to pick a plan that matches your cash withdrawal needs. Another big plus with the premium, metal, and ultra plans is the extra perks. These include things like airport lounge access, a variety of insurance options, which can really add up if you travel a lot. You'll also get other partner benefits like free usage of NordVPN, WeWork, and ClassPass. For example, if you're already a ClassPass member, those 9 credits would normally set you back £15. But with Revolut's Metal plan at $14.99, you can get 10 credits each month, covering your existing ClassPass membership, while adding on a heap of Revolut's other perks for free. So if you're already paying for one of these services, Revolut's higher plan might actually end up saving you money. I gave Revolut a 9 out of 10 for fees and exchange rates, as 9 out of 10 times their currency conversion fees are better than anyone else. Plus, the fee-free cash withdrawals with their ATM debit card is an awesome bonus, and their paid plans are worth the money with great perks if you're a big spender. Alright, let's talk Revolut's customer support. From my experience, they're really on top of fraud protection. I once had a fraudulent transaction pop up on my virtual card, and before I even noticed, Revolut had already flagged it for me. They refunded the money within days, which to be honest was a big relief for me. Plus, their general customer service is pretty solid. I've had smaller issues here and there, and each time their 24/7 live chat support connected me to a real person who quickly solved my issues. The one downside though, phone support isn't available unless you're on the Ultra plan, and even then, it's a callback only service. So if you need quick phone support, you won't get it here with Revolut. Overall though, I'd give their customer service a solid 8 out of 10. They lost 1 mark for the lack of phone support, and another mark which you'll find out why now. Now, even though I scored Revolut an overall 9 out of 10, and with a solid 4.2 rating on Trustpilot, there's still some negatives. First off, Revolut isn't available in every country. If you're not from one of these countries, then you're out of luck. Another point to be aware of is Revolut's strict policy when it comes to account usage. If they detect any suspicious activity, they won't hesitate to freeze or even shut down your account. This can be a real headache if you rely on Revolut for your finances. This is actually one of the main complaints on Trustpilot. Personally, I've gone through one of these account audits myself. Although it was inconvenient, I just provided the basic information that they asked for and everything cleared up quickly. So I don't think it's something to worry about if you're not doing anything shady. Another minor issue I've encountered is that tap to pay or even inserting the card at shops don't always work with a Revolut card. I've seen similar report from other users on Trustpilot as well, but it's been pretty rare for me, so it's not a major concern again, and I still recommend you use Revolut. But just to be safe, I recommend having a backup option when you're traveling. And if you want to check out my top backup option after signing up for Revolut, then I recommend you check out this video next. Or if you just want a full tutorial on how to use Revolut, then go here.